Does your kart suspension bottom out, feel loose, or is it just worn out? You might also hear your kart squeaking during your drive. In front of me, we have a set of Modz heavy-duty replacement leaf springs designed for an EZGO RXV 2008 and newer. These are designed for all your kart needs by giving your kart's suspension the support it requires. The Modz leaf spring kit fits all EZGO RXV models, gas and electric. Have you ever noticed that your golf cart squeaks when you're riding it? That's because of the polyurethane bushings that come on your cart from the factory. Our kit comes with replacement rubber bushings to help prevent that, making for a quieter and smoother ride. Our Modz leaf springs are up to 15% thicker on average than most OEM and aftermarket springs, providing a better ride and stability under heavier loads. For added protection, these leaf springs have an all-black powder coat, which will give you better rust and corrosion prevention over standard OEM products. If you're looking to upgrade your front suspension, these Modz leaf springs will provide heavy-duty support for you and your passengers for years to come.